Okay, good morning students, welcome back. So today we learn how to configure FTP server and HTTP server. We are already done with your DSCP, DNS and email server. So we are left with your two servers, that is one is your FTP server and second one is your HTTP server. So one by one we'll see how to configure this FTP as well as HTTP server. So first we'll start with FTP. So first for FTP server you need these three infrastructure of let's say one PC, a switch and a server. So this server actually acts as FTP server, and you know what is FTP? FTP stands for file transfer protocol, and this server is actually helps you to transfer the file from onto the server or from the server. You can copy the file from a server to you can say PC, and from PC to the server by using some user ID and password, and you can use the services of this particular server by using command line interface. You do not have any, you can say, graphical user interface for this. So let's see one by one, step by step, how to configure your FTP server. So first, what obvious first step is, first we need to give addressing. We need to provide address to our each and every machine in a network. So for that, as for the time we are having this network only, so we need to provide address to our PC as well as server is also having an address which is a part of which that address is a part of actually this network only. So I'll click on PC, I'll give address. So for the time I'm giving the address like 10.0.0.1. Same way, subnet mask, again I'll click on my server. I'll give address to my server 10.0.0.2. I'm done with the addressing part. I have given address to my machines. Machines can be your PC, can be your router, machines can be your server. It means whosoever machine required a address, you need to give address to that machine. And server is also a part of your network, so you need to provide address to your server from that network or from that range only. So now next step is we need to configure our FTP server. I'll click on this server. I'll click on services. I will click on FTP. Now this should be on. Now for FTP server, as I said, if you want to access the files from the server or you want to copy the file from the server, you must have ID and password of a particular user. So first we need to create the user. First, user is already created by the Cisco itself, but we also need to create a user if you want to create. So I'm creating a user like let's say for me it is 2WE, for example. Password is 123, and these are the permissions that you want to give. I'm giving all the permissions to my this particular user, and I'm clicking on add. So this user is added to my current, you can say, the pool. And these all are the files which are already there on my server. So as you know, this is a packet tracer. So there are some still limitations are there for this packet tracer, but we are having some already files which we can access from the PC, just to make you understand what is the working of FTP server. So these are the files that you can check through command line interface as well, that whether these files are exist on your server or not. So I have created this users as this with this password, and all permissions are having required with the users. So I'll click on PC, I'll click on command prompt. So here, as of now, I'm on my PC drive. You can check I'm on PC. So first you need to get into the server. So what I'll write FTP, command is FTP space 10.0.0.2, which is the address of your server FTP server. I'll click on enter. So it is trying to connect and connected with that server. Now whenever you want to connect, you need a user ID and password, as I already said. So username you have created, so your username is WE as I have written, and it is asking for a password. The password is 123. So I have written 123, but it's not visible to you because as a security, as you know, whenever you write your UMS ID and password is in star. You write in a star form. So similarly here also 123, whenever you will write or you will click, or the moment you will write 123, you will not able to see it. It is for the security purpose. So now I've pressed enter. Now you see here you are logged in. Now you will see, first of all, you were in C drive, now you are in FTP. It means whatever commands you will use here, now those commands, those files will be accessed from the server. So I'll see here dir. Now using dir command directory, you can check all the files and directory which are already exist on your server. These are the files that I have already shown you. Let me show you again. You'll click on server FTP. These all are the files that you have already checked. So same way you can check these files from here as well. So let's suppose I want to copy any file from my server to my PC. So let's say I'll copy file from here. You cannot use control C and control V here because this is command line interface. You just need to use right click if you want to use. Now you will write here get space file name. So you can paste your file name here. You can press enter. You can check file transfer in progress. It means now this file is copying from your server to the PC. Now after copying, you can check this file on your PC that whether this file is exist on your PC or not. So now we are done with copying. Now what you can do is you'll write here quit. It means you will get out of the server now. Now you can check C, it is C drive. It means now currently you are in logged in C drive. You will click here dir here. So you can check whatever file you have copied from your server to PC, it was there in your PC. The file name was ASA842. Now you can check ASA842 file is already there in your PC. Now let's suppose you want to delete this file, delete, delete, and again same file name that you want to delete. Press enter. It said this file is deleted. If you again want to check, earlier this file was there, but after deleting this file is not present in my PC. So in this way we are having a lot more commands through which you can use for accessing the files in terms of uploading, downloading, and many more. So you can check these files in your you can say lab manuals or any video. I'll let you know these all commands through EMS help you EMS will help you live chat only. Thank you.